We talk about how can you change your email on your app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on settings, you just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to your email, click here on change here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then here can you add new email here. Then you click here on request change here. Then it's going to change with you here on your app. When you just add new email here, it's going to change with you automatically. That's all you have to do. I wish you are great. That's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.